How to use many space in one mobile. Secondspace, only one space use, and multiple user mode, many space use in one mobile. First introduce in one mobile Secondspace and then multiple user. Step 1, go to setting. Step 2, search Secondspace. Only one user use this space. Introduce multiple user. Some mobile had different name of multiple user. Download activity launcher from Google Play Store. Use multiple user or any hidden setting. Download now. Next time I made hidden setting video. I already install it. Open activity launcher. Search multiple user, different name for some mobile devices. Click multiple user. Then if you want to use many phone in one device, then you use information about multiple user. You can share this with other people by creating additional user. Each user has their own space, which they can customize with their own apps, wallpaper and so on. User can also add bad settings like Wi-Fi that affect everyone. After you create a new user, that person need to go through a setup process. Any user can accept it updated app permission on behalf of all user. You can add as many as you want.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Shadab's Random Video, and thanks for watching.